Today we're going to look into a homeowner's worst nightmare. Contact rot. Okay, maybe not your worst nightmare, but moisture rot can be pretty bad. When wood is placed in high moisture areas, it absorbs the moisture and over time causes rot. Many of these areas are access points into the home, such as doors and windows. Today we will discuss why AZEK's brick mold is ideal for these high moisture areas. Because AZEK PVC is impervious to moisture, you can put it anywhere on the exterior of your home without any limitations. This is the perfect project for the weekend warrior. Take a look at the following installation and see how easy it truly is.
The rot on this garage door trim was so bad that I could rip it off with just one hand. This project has noticeable signs of rot due to moisture. The brick mold was rotten from the back and worked its way through the paint coating. Many people could have rot on their trim and not even know it. The scary thing is, this wood rot not only affects the exterior trim, but also the substrate it's fastened to. In this case, we had to rip out the entire door jamb and replace it with AZEK PVC trim. The upside of doing this is, you'll only have to do it once, and you'll never have to do it again. AZEK's PVC trim and molding comes with a limited lifetime warranty.
You could continue replacing your wood brick mold every 4 to 6 years. But why not use an AZEK brick mold that'll last a lifetime?